Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily find quick text for photos in Instagram. So for doing this you just need to open App Store and just write in search tab quick text for photos, and here you will see your application. So just click on get and just wait some time until it will open our, so just use your Touch ID. So just click on the open, and now you just need to write your username and password and just click on login, and after you do it you will see different options. Also one of these options will be tags, popular tags, top tags, and you will just choose what you want and successfully copy to your photos to Instagram your tags. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.